Welcome to another thoughtful Thursday, where we embark on enlightening journeys of the mind and spirit. Today, we're diving into the transformative world of mindfulness. Get ready to unlock your inner strength and find joy in every moment. Welcome to our exploration of mindfulness, a journey where we unlock the secrets to a resilient and joyful mind. Today, we delve into how mindfulness can be your key to mental strength and clarity. Unlock your potential. Mindfulness is a key to mental resilience. Mindfulness isn't just a practice, it's a pathway to inner strength. Let's discover how being present in the moment can fortify your mental resilience. Elevate your mind. Motivational strategies for mental wellness. Break the barriers of your mind with strategies that enhance mental health and elevate your entire being. Remember, your limitation, it's only your imagination. Transform stress into strength. Mindfulness techniques that work. Learn techniques that transform stress into a source of personal strength. Strength does not come from physical capacity, but from an indomitable will. Journey to joy. Mindfulness paths for mental health. Happiness is a journey, not a destination. We explore various paths of mindfulness that lead to mental health and true joy. Mind over matter. Motivating yourself through mindfulness. Discover how mindfulness can be the motivational tool you need for personal and mental growth. Believe you can, and you're halfway there. The power of now. Mindfulness for immediate mental relief. In the hustle of life, the power of now is often forgotten. Learn practical exercises for immediate mental relief and clarity. Revitalize your life. Mindfulness for mental health and motivation. How can mindfulness revitalize your life? Do something today that your future self will thank you for. Mindfulness mastery. Techniques for mental fortitude and focus. Mastering mindfulness is mastering life. Explore techniques for mental fortitude and improved focus. From mindfulness to mindful living, a journey of mental well-being. Mindfulness isn't difficult, it's a way of life. Join us on a journey from practicing mindfulness to living mindfully. Cultivating calm. Mindfulness as a solution for mental health challenges. Discover how cultivating calm through mindfulness can be a powerful solution to mental health challenges. Calmness of mind is one of the beautiful jewels of wisdom. Join us on this transformative journey. Embrace mindfulness and unlock a world of mental resilience, joy, and clarity. Remember, the path to a healthier mind begins with a single mindful step. Thank you for joining us on this thoughtful Thursday journey into the heart of mindfulness. If you found inspiration in today's exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more enlightening content. Remember, every step towards mindfulness is a step towards a more resilient and joyful you. Until next time, keep nurturing your mind and spirit.